This is pretty funny. 80 horsepower, and this thing has real air vents on the side. There are certain models of Challengers with V8s that have fake hood scoops. Who's driving a Geo Tracker in 2024? I was considering getting a Daihatsu Rocky, but one of the main factors of why I bought a Geo Tracker, readily available maintenance parts. Changing out the air filter today. Quick look at the interior, looking good for a 32-year-old vehicle. About to get some food, so of course I got to use the club. To replace the air filter, you'll need a 8mm and a 10mm socket. So this 10mm, I have a feeling the previous owner just lost one of the original ones and just put whatever fit. Here's the filter I'm replacing, Napa, and here's the new one, MicroGuard. They look exactly the same. I've seen a couple of you with the 8-valve motor with a K&N decal on your window. I would greatly appreciate it if you let me know what K&N part number fits in here. I can't find it on their website locator, nothing specific for this vehicle on the K&N website. So the air goes in through there. And it would be pretty easy to make an intake for this. Get some tubing, the correct diameter, come out, open cone filter. But I really like the originality of this, so I just want to put a K&N, but for now, clean filter. There you go, perfect fit, and that's where the air goes through. So an open cone filter might actually help. I might do an intake. And this radiator reserve tank, that's new part. And washer pump, that's a new part. So even though this is how old is this thing? 32, a 32-year-old vehicle, there's still plenty of parts available for it. Radiator cap's new too. I need to do the entire radiator and hoses soon. At the time I bought this, it was the nicest Geo Tracker Suzuki Sidekick within 500 miles of me. Bought it 2 years ago. Of course it's gonna have some patina, like the wiper arms, have some rust on it. I'll go ahead and clean that up soon. I'm feeling productive today. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the rust here on the wiper arm. The other side's not as bad. This will be simple. Pulled off the wiper blades. Another part that's readily available. So I'm going to use this to isolate the wiper blade arms. Some people might find this sick in the head to clean up some patina on a 32-year-old Geo Tracker. I'm going to use some Plasti Dip to clean this up. Looks a lot better. When I was sitting here, my eyes were gravitating towards the rust. Now it's gone. Wiper arms, that's fine. That's easily replaceable when I need new wipers.